Hey guys, good morning. Guys, good morning. How are you doing? Hi Samrendra, good morning. Hi Parvati, good morning. So let's wait for a couple of minutes, guys. We'll get started. Meanwhile, I hope all of you have water and mat with you. Hi Divya, good morning. Good to see you guys. Just Tuesday morning. Weekdays have just started. All right, we'll just wait a couple of minutes. Guys, am I audible and visible? Hello? Guys, let me know if you can hear me or there's some problem. Let me know also. Perfect, that's good. So my position is correct. I'm middle of the screen, not on the left, not on the right. If you have to move here and there, let me know which side I have to move. Or if it is fine, we're good to go. I hope all of you heard something before you came here. Maybe a banana or some nuts. Oh, I see. A lot of messages are coming. I just missed out. I have to just scroll down, then I can see. Hi Priyanka, good morning. Hi Uma, good morning. Divya says yes, good. Good guys, we'll just wait for a couple of minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Yes, I was telling, I hope all of you heard some banana or some nuts, pre-workout snacks before you came here. What you heard? Maybe you can type the word, what you heard. Priyanka says yes, but what you heard? Audible. Okay, great. Yeah, so I was asking, did you have something pre-workout snacks? If yes, what you had? So I had couple of almonds and a black coffee for today as a pre-workout snacks. Samarendra had banana. That's good, Samarendra. What else you heard, guys? Good morning, Nasreen. Cycles are banana. so, so how you guys buy banana? Do you go out? Do you go out and buy? Have you started going to office, guys? The lockdown unlock 1.0 has started. Have you started going to office? Have you started going out and doing shopping, or you are still doing at home online deliveries, Dunjo, then Zomato, whatever it is, What you started doing? Manjusa, good morning. Just Ajay, good morning. Started going to office or buying it online still? Bananas, nuts, and everything. Okay, black coffee. Only black coffee is not good for health. Take something along with your black coffee, guy. Priyanka. Take some nuts, maybe. Don't take black coffee on empty stomach because it will create long-term bad effect for the stomach and all. Only black coffee, empty is not good. take some nuts, and you can, after that you can take black coffee, something along with that. Okay, just something good, healthy diet. Okay, May 3rd she started working. Great guys. I hope all of you had a great weekend. Say yes, you had a great weekend. And today we are back. Yesterday also I think Uma did a great job, and today I'm there. So what I'm going to do today, by the way, myself Jagan, I represent Fit You and Me. So I'm a trainer, and also I'm a fitness enthusiastic. Okay. So what I'm going to do today is, I hope all of you know today what I'm going to do. We are going to do upper body workout, right? Upper body sculpting. So what is there in upper body? Your shoulders, your chest, and your biceps, triceps, everything, right? So what I'm going to do is today, we're going to do a couple of warm-ups. After warm-ups, we'll move into the main exercise, then finally we'll cool down, okay? Very important for all of you to have a bottle of water, and you need to have a towel as well to, kind of dry you up. And water is required because you'll need a lot of short intervals in between where you can have some water to re-energize yourself. And we'll do both for beginners and advanced. We'll try to do maximum for both. In cases where you feel that something getting tougher on you, or maybe you're not able to cope up, slow down. Slow down. Don't have to do everything. But count your numbers. I can tell you again, count your data. How many times, how many repetitions are you doing? Very, very important. Because your repetition shows where do you start. Let's say I have to do 15, I'm doing it 5 or 6 or 7. Can I get better next time, right? So it's kind of a goal, internal goal, your own goal which you want to reach, right? So by the way, I'll try to also do you find the music good, soothing to the ears? Are you able to hear the music, guys? I hope you can hear. Priyanka says going to office in case of emergency. Good morning Satya, good morning Athira, good morning Manoj. I hope the music is audible. All good guys. Let's start the warm up. If your music is not audible, I can increase the volume. If not, if you're fine, we're good to go. Alright. Music was audible for some time. Yes? Yeah, volume is less. Oh my god. Okay, good. I thought it would be too much, and okay. Yeah, so we'll start with the warm-up first. So warm-up, I'll tell you what I'm going to do, then we'll increase the volume for music. Okay. So, first warm-up guys, there will be 4 warm-ups, different warm-ups. So first one is side step with arms. See, my hands are stretching upside down and my legs are going in, okay? You can see how it is happening. Very smooth, nice and slow motions. Okay, just I'm showing you right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm just showing you, demonstrating you instructions, you can say. Warm up. Good. Stretching for arms, stretching for your chest. Okay. Then you can move other way around. And you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay, it's a simple one. Alright. Next is side movements. Again, stretch as much as you can. So I'm stretching I can feel my sides are moving. This is another warm up, simple one. Alright, the second one, okay. Third one, squat, push forward. So now understand how I'm doing. I'm going to make a triangle, heart sign. Okay. Okay. So what I'm doing like this, I'm putting my legs little far and keeping my hands like this, going down at the same time making a triangle. Okay. Then moving. Okay, it's simple one. So just pushing yourself, pushing your hip out. Then when you stand up, your chest are moving out. So this is the third warm up. So 3 warm ups, and fourth one is foot fires. If you cannot do foot fires because of knee pain, joint pain, whatever, do side movements like this, little bit side, walk on your place, or maybe you can do little jogging, or maybe you have good foot fires. Is that good? 4 sets. We can do 10 to, I think 20 times is good to go. Are you good, guys? Hi Sasi, good morning. I hope the volume is fine. Alright. Volume was good actually. Okay. Are you good to go with a warm up? If yes, tell me yes. If not, we'll see what to do. Good morning Priyanka, good morning Sasi, good morning Saikat. Good morning Athira, I missed out some people. I think Satya, good morning. Saikat, homemaking food. Divya is going to office. Great guys, glad to see all of you. Alright, good to go? Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm just playing some music as well, so that the music is, I say, obviously the theme here is simple. No pain, no gain. Okay, so let's start. Count the numbers, guys. Count the numbers, how many times we are doing. We start with the first warm-up, okay? First, second, third, fourth. 1, 2, 3, 20 times I'm doing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times done. I will reverse it. Six. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling enough. Stretch your hands wide. If you're not able to do anything, just do like this. Simple one. Okay, so simple. If you can't move your legs sideways, just keep moving your hands like this. Simple one. Stretch your hands. Nice and slow motion. Full body rotation. Complete movements. Keep doing it. You can see the hands are really feeling. You can feel your hands. Good morning, Devasis. Good morning, Pragya. Good morning, Amiya. Good morning, Ashish. So guys, first warm-up was good. We move to the second warm-up, which is side movements, simple ones again. Are you able to hear the music? Also, let me know how many times you have done the first warm-up. I did 20 times. Put your data, guys. And we move to the second one. In between, you can take 15-second break. It's just a warm-up. We'll not take a longer break. We'll take just a 15-second break. We'll move to the next warm-up. Side movements. Like this. Full body rotation. Try to rotate as much as possible. Complete movements. Hand movements. See my movements. I hope you can just look at this and keep doing it. Done. Do 15 to 20 times. How many times you can do is okay. Hi Krupa, good morning. Guys, are you able to hear the music? My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. It's good to. Are you able to hear it or it's very slow? We did 2 warm-ups, guys. You can put how many times you have done if you want. So move to the third warm-up, which is squat push forward. Okay. I'll do it 10 to 15 times. I'll do it, and next one I'll move to foot fires. Then we'll finish the first set of warm up. After that, we'll do one more set of warm up. Then we'll move to the main exercises. 15-second break already taken, guys. So let's do it 10 to 15 times. How many times you can do, up to you. I'll do 15 times at least. See, when I'm doing like this, my hands are moving full cycle. Then I'm pulling back. It's a good exercise for moving your body, squat position. Oh. See, I'm making a heart shape here. Yes. Oh. Okay. Some more. Oh, the pullback is fun. You feel your body is pulling back as well. Great. Good, Niranjan. Good morning. We started the warm up and we did 3 rounds of, 3 exercises we did. Okay, last one is foot fires. 10 to 15-second break. Are you able to do everything, guys? Are you facing any difficulty? So far, so good. You won't sweat with this warm up, I know that. Just to warm you up, not to make it very difficult for you. Because our main exercises are going to be really raw one, which will make you stretch. So warm up will take it easy. Hi, good morning, Hari Krishna. Good morning, Rupali. Krupa is telling yes, you can hear. Great, guys. I hope all of you are busy doing warm up. Sanjay, good morning. I think you don't have time to type. That's good. I somehow like it because you are busy doing the right thing. You get time, just type it. Are you able to enjoy or any difficulty? Last one, foot fires. Foot fires. Let me quickly, I've shown you already. Very simple. All right. Okay. All right, guys. I think the messages are coming a little slow. Guys, are you able to hear me? Able to hear me? So far, so good. 3 different exercises. We have done it. Yes? I think there's some problem in network. I don't think you are not typing. You are typing, but there's a problem is there. Foot fires, guys, a lot of fun, a lot of excitement. Let me bring it here. Foot fires, how do you bring it? Okay, just little movements. Little movement, push your hip out, okay? Either you can do simple ones, basic, like this you can do, or little advanced, and very fast, very fast, guys. Very fast. The foot fires have to be very fast. 20 times. Or do it 10 to 15 times based on your how many times you can do it. Foot fires fast. Your legs should be moving, your hands should be moving, and you should enjoy. Your body will be completely warmed up with this. The last warm up. Oh. All right, done. We have done it with 1 set of warm up. We'll do the second set of warm up. All right. Great. All right, Devasis can say I can hear you. Good. Because sometimes I feel there's a network problem. Good, guys. So first set is over. Yeah, foot fires, correct. So now I'll do the second set and after that move to the main exercise. Second set, we'll do again the same thing what we did in the first set. You can put your repetitions how many times you have done. And we move to the next exercise, next set. Okay? Let's start with that. Side step with arms. I play the music. Are you able to hear the music, guys? Confirm me. Side step with arms. 2, 3, 4, 5.
गली हो या स्टेडियम, क्रिकेट खेलने का हक सबका है। इसी तरह बिजनेस ऑनलाइन ले जाने का हक भी सबका होना चाहिए। GoDaddy का ऑनलाइन स्टार्टअप।
Just playing that.
Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this. Not quit, man, I'm on it, on it. Single launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the prime and moving under the prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking. They watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10s. I'm so stopping. It's time to live my life. It's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the vibe.
19, 20. Done.
Let's go.
Good exercise, guys. I hope you're able to enjoy so far. You able to hear the music as well.
Workout music source.
Okay, so we'll now move to the I think we did the first one. There are 3 more exercises in warm-up, then close warm-up, then move to the main exercise. Okay, so next one is, I hope, yes, music is there. Good. Now see the music. Good. Side movements, guys. Count the number. Just like do it one straight. I think it's not difficult. You all can finish warm up quickly. Because main exercises I'm excited about. Just a warm up, guys. Nothing much to talk. You have to get excited. Heart started pumping. Get ready for the main workouts. Done. Next. Squat push forward. Go down, see. Then push yourself up. Pull up. Go down. 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 Pull up. Go down, pull up, go down, pull up, go down, pull up. Done. Last warm up of the day before we move to the main exercise. Foot fast. Just quickly one after the other. No break in between. Let's finish it. After warm up, we'll come back. I can discuss the main exercises. Fast, very fast. Keep it in the ground. Jumping jack. Jumping in a floor. Fast. Done. Done, guys. Great. With music enjoying. Great. Good, guys. So done with the warm up. Are you also done? Did you enjoy the warm up? We move to the main exercise. I'm excited about the warm up, like main exercise today. All the 4 are going to great. You're going to have a ball of a time today. Little different from what I've done so far. So warm up was good, guys. Say yes or no. Are you ready for the main exercise? Get some water as well. Let me have something. Whew. Are you done with the warm up? Ready for main course. The starter is over. Great, guys. So let's discuss what are things going to do in main exercise. So I'll just give you instructions quickly, and you can do 10 to 15 times. Okay, so that we can finish 4 rounds. So we have, I'll tell you how much time. We have 30 minutes to go, 25-30 minutes. So we should be able to close it in 30 minutes. Okay. So let's discuss the first warm up. First main exercise, diamond push up. Okay. Now diamond push up is a little different from the regular push up. Regular push up like this. You stay like this. Your arms just beneath the chest, and you go down. Right. Now diamond push up, little difficult. If you want regular, you can do like this. Diamond push up means it should look like a diamond, like a triangle, and should be close to your chest. That means I can't do like this. I should do like this. Very important. In your hands, underside should be 90 degree, not like this. This is not push up. You'll be straining your shoulders. Your focus is chest and your triceps, right? So diamond, chest, the diamond shape, triangle shape. Your hands should be close. This finger should be just below your chest, and you go down. Little closer push up. Okay. If you can't do it, just keep it aside. Regular push up. Even if you cannot do it, do a knee push up. How is a knee push up? Keep your knees on the ground, like this. Easier one. Okay. I hope you can do everybody. Everybody can do this. So what I'm going to do it now. I'll now demonstrate you. So my hands are like this, triangle. Now I'm keeping like this together. Look at me. Just below my chest, and my hands should be 45 degree. Okay. Triangle, close push-ups. It's not easy, guys. This push-up is not easy because it's very close to the body. Okay. I think 10 times is great. If you can 10 times, it's awesome. So that's a diamond push-up. First main course. Okay. Second one is crab toe touch. Another exciting exercise. And see how I'm doing. I'll do as well after some time once I finish the instructions, right? See, like this. Keep your glutes little up, and your hands. Either you can keep like this. Okay, this is one way. Other one is you can keep like this. Okay, little other side. Now what do you do here now? Okay, maybe you can keep up, or maybe you can keep on the ground. That's okay, that's up to you. But keep your hands like this, just behind the glutes. Okay. See. My legs will be straight, and see, it's very simple. You have to do slowly because there's a chances the balance will go off. See, I'm touching it, letting go. See, slowly you do it. Don't have to be very fast. Keep your hands just behind the glutes. This is crab toe touch. You know why it is named like this? You are like a crab. See, you can also move if you want. This is how the crab moves. Don't you think so? That's how the crab moves. So, I am looking like a crab and touching my toes. Is it clear? The second exercise. Crab toe touch. It's a new one. I think we have not done before. So I want you to be familiar with this. Very interesting exercise. Diamond push up and crab toe touch. Is it clear, guys? Anybody have a question? Please say yes, no, possible, not possible. Want easy one?
Marketing landscape changing. Skills in
Yes.
marketing have changed drastically.
I'm just waiting for a reply, guys.
Digital marketing is really
Are you comfortable? Because these are little different exercises never done before. crab toe touch and diamond push-up. Okay, I think there's some messes taking time to come. If you're not familiar, we'll again discuss, but let me move to the third one, inchworm to push-up. We have done this before as well. Inchworm to push-up. Okay, you stand like this, hinge on your hips. Okay, when you hinge, you should be looking down, go down, and then you do a push-up. Again, move back. Inchworm to push-up. You can do 2 push-up also. 1, 2, and come back. Simple one. Okay, hope you're clear. First time little, you can see a little different. Third one is done, inchworm to push-up. Fourth one is low to high plank and shoulder tap. Now how is that? Be on the plank roll like this. Okay. Next is the high plank, low plank. High plank, then shoulder tap. You can do 2 times or 1 time based on your interest. Complete body on the plank side. Oh. 1, 2. 1, 2. This is the fun, guys, because you are plank person going down, again low plank to high plank alternately, and doing a shoulder tap. This is a good exercise. These are 4 we'll do. Crab toe is not possible. Okay, so let's do this way. Crab toe. Let me make an easier version for you. Okay, so what you do is be like this. Okay, put your glutes on the floor. Don't lift it, because if you're lifting, then maybe there's a chance, as I said, because for me also sometimes take some time to get the balance. You put your feet on the floor. If you're not able to do, just do like this. Put your glutes on the floor and keep touching, keep touching, keep touching. You don't have to move like this. Like this you can do it. I don't think that will be difficult for you. Is that good, guys? Yeah. So let's play the music and start with the first main exercise, which is diamond push-up. I'm starting now, guys. 10 set, 10 repetitions, 4 times you have to do. Count your data, guys. I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is good, guys. Gives a good feeling. Chest out, going down. Body should be down and up, down and up. Lot of fun. Yeah, did it? Could you do that? And how many times you did? Just type how many times you have done. Moving to a crab toe touch now. It was good, just 10 times do it, because diamond push-up is very close to your body. It will be not easy to do 20 times. 10 times is good enough because you have to do 4 sets. Crab toe touch. Beginners, do this thing. This way you do it. Lift your toe and try to touch it. Advanced means you are coming for a couple of seconds. Lift your glute. Okay. You lose the balance, I know. Crab toe touch. Keep your legs straight. See how I'm doing it. I'm not bending my legs like this. I'm keeping straight. It's okay to do less times, but do it perfect. As perfect as possible. You want to move like a crab? I can do that as well. Touch your toes. Your core is engaged. This is a very good exercise, guys. Crab toe touch. I love it because it gives you a complete full body movement. Your legs are moving, your hands are moving, your core is moving. You feel it engaging. Okay, you will start breathing heavily little, and you feel the excitement as well. So second one is done. 10 diamond push-up, awesome, not easy. Krupa 9 times, wow, cycle 10. Diamond push-up 12. I think messages are coming a little late. Let me know how many times I've done the crab toe touch. I did 10 times. Beginners, keep your glutes on the floor. Advanced, glutes up and keep touching the toes. And if you can move as well. How I saw it, move like a crab if you want. No compulsion, guys. Keep your feet like this. If you keep like this, you might fall while lifting your legs. Keep your feet on the floor.
Just kidding, it's available online.
This is one.
The only question that remains is
Moving like a crab.
we are thinking
Moving
of the
like a
future.
crab.
So should you. Upgrade. Life ko karo live.
If your goal is to create an extraordinary life that works at a high level in every important area, the
Alright,
first thing
fun
you have
guys.
to know is what
You
that
can
looks
type how many times I've done
like,
it.
because you will never achieve that.
And it's not
unless you
easy.
know what it is
Manoj is doing
toward.
12 times. Difficult. Put your glutes on the floor and do it. I know it's not easy. People complain about it. Little advanced level. Crab toe touch is not easy. Your body has to be flexible a little bit, but keep your glutes on the floor and try doing it. It will be the one you can do it. Alright guys, being a crab is not easy. So crabs are crabs and humans are humans, right?
A lot of people are so busy with what happened in their lives. They're so busy on the treadmill of life. Most people out there are overwhelmed.
Touching is difficult. Alright, 10 times, great. So move to the inchworm to push up. I think this is easier one. Do it. Inchworm to push up, guys. Legs to the side. Now see, I'm a plank roll. Down. Move. Come down. Scroll down. Push up and move. Push up and move. So the best part of this exercise, your body is moving. You can see how you are doing. Your body should be a plank roll, push up, again go back. 4, 5 times more I have to do. I'm not done by 10 times.
Exhausted.
Be good for the back as well. If you're not able to see, let me know. I did 8 times. Nine. 10. Done. Inchworm to push up, guys. How many times I've done? Crab toe touch 9 times. Great. That's good. We're doing good, guys. Let me know how many times I've done the inchworm to push up. Just type it. I know there's some delay in typing because of network problem. 30-second break. For me, let me have some little bit of water. You might be sweating. Started sweating. You can see me. I'm sweating. Stick it out. Kick it out. Let's get excited for the low to high plank up. Walk push up 10. Great. Good, Devasis. You are doing awesome. Next one is low to high plank and shoulder tap. Meena, others can type. I'll go little fast because you have to finish the first set yet. Then move to the 3 more. If not, at least 2 more you have to do. What I can do, I can pull the mat a little closer so that you guys can see me. I hope this is good. Because most of the exercises, when you do, is good. You know, we are doing together. So look at me and start doing it. We are not very far. Maybe distance-wise we are far, but we are doing together. Okay? So look at me and start doing it. If I am not stopping, you also won't stop. I moved the mat now. Alright. Plank. Straight plank. No bending on your... Not like this. And not like this. Straight plank. Okay? Now look at me. And you will not stop now. 1, 2, 3. Not easy, guys, I know. 4, 10 times you should do it. 5, 6, 7. 8, 9. This is not easy, guys, because from low to high plank, not only that, you're doing shoulder tap as well. Not easy. Oh my gosh, this is good. Walk push-up is 5, great. Now write down how many times low to high plank and shoulder tap. If you cannot do shoulder tap, just do low to high plank. If you cannot do low to high plank, be on the plank for a couple of seconds maybe. Or maybe you can do knee plank. When I say knee plank, be on your knees. Okay? This is what you can try if you are finding difficult, because this actually is a upper body workout. It's not easy. It's not for everybody. So I make it easy for you if you want. Be on your knees, knee plank, and low to high. And do shoulder tap if you want, otherwise let it go. I want you should do it. Lighter is okay, but quitting is not okay. You can't quit. You just have to continue as many rounds as many as possible. So first set is done. Should we move to the next set? Yes or no? Or you want a little break? Tell me how many times I've done, and we'll move to the next one. Yeah, shoulder tap. Shoulder tap is not easy, along with low to high. But yeah, if you do low to high, that's enough. Go guys, 30-second break, move to next round, next set. We have 15-minute max to go. So try to finish 2 more rounds. I do a little faster as well. Now that we have done 1 round successfully, it's not difficult. Hi Jyoti. Good. Manoj Manju is low to high 6 times. Divya is doing 5 times. That's awesome. Great guys, I'm happy you are doing it. It will get better as you keep doing it. It will not be perfect, but let's start doing it again. Diamond push up. I'll do in front of you. Look at me and do it. We're not going away. Straight along with you. I know I'm also little same difficulty for me as well, but we have to do together. Okay? See, my hands are like a triangle, just below the chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times diamond push-up I did. I'm feeling the burn now. Your body should be on fire right now. Already far started, in fact, if not yet. 10 times diamond push-up, not easy. If you can do 5 to 6 times, that's also good because it's not an easy exercise. Okay? Type it out how many times I've done. I now move to crab toe touch. See me. My legs are, my feet are on the ground. My hands are just behind my glutes. And touch, go. 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 That is simple, looks very simple. I know it's not easy. You have to balance so many things. Crab toe touch is quite fun, but not easy for the first timers. For beginners, try this. Keep your touching your toes. Keep your glutes on the ground. For people a little comfortable, keep your feet on the ground and start touching. While moving, your hands are going full cycle, stretching yourself. So you did 10 times crab toe touch. You are maybe a little lagging behind. That's all right. Don't have to compare. Keep doing it more and more. Good morning, Jyoti. Saikat is 5. 5 is what? Is it which exercise you did 5 times? 10 times diamond push-up, great. Just keep catching up, guys. Because next one I'm going to inchworm to push-up. 30-second break you can take in between. I'm also taking a break, having water. Your heart has started pumping. You are feeling it. So inchworm to push-up. 1. 10 times again. 2. 3. 4. Okay, music. 9. Oh. 15 times. Toe touch only 3 times, great. Toe touch is 10-15 times. 5 times diamond push-up, great. Crab toe touch 10 times. Good. Awesome, guys, I'm glad. I hope you're enjoying the music. When you feel down, listen to the music more. You get more energy. So we are done with 2 sets now. Because of time, we'll only do one more round, one more set, and we'll finish it off. I know 3 rounds are not easy as well. It's taking a little bit toll on your body, but you're enjoying. I hope you're enjoying. Your triceps, your chest, your shoulders are getting energized. The way I am enjoying, you are also enjoying, right? Yes or no? This is the last round for the day. We'll do it quick and we'll finish it off. Okay? Say yes. If no, just let me know. So again, diamond push-up with the music. Last set, guys. Let's finish on high. Let's not give up. We have to finish on high, guys. One. So going fully down is fun. 10 times. Love it. Love it, guys. 10 times. Diamond push-up done. Last set. Diamond push-up, crab touch, inch-up push-up, and low hand plank. We're done with the last diamond push-up now. Type how many times you're doing. Then move to crab toe touch. Music. Music is on, guys. Count how many times you're doing it. Doesn't matter, more or less, do it. Count it. Crab toe touch 10 times. See guys, I'll tell you, everything comes with practice. Low to high plank we missed out. Okay, we'll do it this time. Thanks for reminding. See, I was not able to do this crab toe touch before. Balance was going for a toss, but getting better. I tell you, it was not too long back. Hardly 1 month back, I was not able to do it. We keep getting better with more and more repetitions, more and more exercises. So crab toe touch is like that. We'll do now inch to push up. Okay. Push up. Okay. Go back. 10 times, guys. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven. 8. 9. 10. Done. Last one, low to high plank and shoulder tap. This time we'll not miss the verses. We'll do it because the last exercise of the day, we can't miss it. We'll do it and we'll stretch it. Okay, we have a couple of minutes to go. We'll finish with low to high plank and shoulder tap, and finally we'll do cool down. I hope all of you can hear me, and how many times you've done, you can type as well. Because last exercise, let's be excited. Low to high plank, shoulder tap. I see people excited. All right, I know You are so busy doing workout that you don't get time to type, but you can still do if you take a break in between. Meanwhile, let me start with the low to high plank and shoulder tap. A lot of fun that is. High plank, you can type, push up, walk 10 is 10, that's great. Now let's do this. Plank, shoulder tap, shoulder tap. Shoulder tap, shoulder tap. Right, left, left, right. Shoulder tap, left, right, left, right. Do you want to do it? Done. Done with all the 3 exercises, guys. I hope you are also able to finish. Push up if you want. Okay, great. Please continue with the low to high plank and tap the shoulders. Meanwhile, 30-second break. We're done with the exercise today, guys. We'll do now cool down. Cheer up. Now the body temperature is quite high. Heart is pumping hard. We're sweating. I hope all of you are sweating like me, or maybe more than that, or less than that. Doesn't matter. You are feeling it. You are feeling the burn, the explosive movements you have done today. Full body workout is more difficult, guys, because the whole body has to be engaged. It's not easy. It's a body weight exercise. You are using your body weight to do exercise without any equipments. It's not easy. In fact, very effective if you do it right. Push up, ek walk is 6. Great. Now let me know how many times you've done high to low plank and shoulder tap. Meanwhile, let me just cool down a little bit, show you cool down steps. Simple ones. Okay, let me. Grab your hips towards your chest. Good stretch. It's not easy, by the way. Sometimes I lose the balance. You'll also lose the balance. I generally hold on to something. Something you feel is easier. Just hold on to. Pull your legs up. You can feel your hamstrings. That's awesome, guys. Stretch your legs. Your biceps, shoulders. Because today we had a upper body workout. Great movements. Lot of exercise. Stretch it. Stretch the hand towards the middle of the head. You can go a little down as well. Great, guys. We had ball of a time today. I hope all of you had fun. All of you enjoyed. Have some water. We're done for the day. We had ball of a time, guys. Great, guys. I know it's not easy. The office has started. The lockdown is over. People are coming out of the houses. People are going to office, kids, school. So many things have come up right now because it has its own challenges. Despite that, all of you are here. 7 o'clock. It's not easy. I know you guys are committed for your well-being, for your health, for your family, for your community. Give a round of applause for yourself where you are. I'm giving a round of applause for you, for myself, and all of our communities who are making it happen, who are putting extra effort. It's not easy. It's not easy. Nothing in the world is easy. But taking care of our health is the most important part, which we need to do. And you guys are doing great job. Keep coming, guys. We'll always come up with a new exercise, new regimen, which will stretch you, push you. And what you find difficult today will be easy tomorrow. Okay? Today, I know many of you found crab tortoise is quite difficult. It was difficult for me as well, some time back. But you know what? After 1 month, I was able to master it. So, if you find crab tortoise is difficult, let's talk again after 1 month. I know you'll not make it easy. You'll teach me how to do it right. Okay? So, guys, with this, I'm done. Signing off. Jagan signing off from Fitio and me. And see you again, guys. See you again for the next session, which will happen on Thursday. Tomorrow is a break because all of you your body needs rest. You did 2 heavy workout for 2 consecutive days. Tomorrow is a rest day. Again, we'll come back on Thursday. Okay? And mention, how did you find the session? Great, guys. I see all have class for my son. He tells all of you to keep smiling. Tell your son's name as well. We want to know his name. It's always good to know the children who are engaged with the parents. I tell you, if you are doing this exercise, your children are also enjoying. They also seeing the parents are going extra mile. Your children will not be plumpy. They will be healthy like you. Okay? You are setting the right standard for your children, for your family, for your community. Being fit is a responsibility, guys. All of us need to be fit. Okay? So, guys, all of you write your comments as you write your son's name as well. And everybody mention how you found it. Also, you kind of, engage your communities to come to the sessions, share with your people, recommend, share, comment, put it in a timeline, and let many people get engaged, okay? With this, I'm done. See you again, guys, in the next class on Thursday. Thank you. Bye-bye.